Hey guys, what's up? It's Tim, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the D-Link 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. So let's get started here. Okay, so this is the box here. This is the D-Link 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. As you can see on the top, it's a D-Link, which is all in black here on the front. And here is the D-Link logo. This is the picture of the switch, 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. We got connect more computers and devices to your network, quality of service support for traffic prioritization, eco-friendly with power-saving technology. And this is the model DGS 1005G. Limited lifetime warranty. D-Link green. And under it, probably gonna show like a serial. And there's probably, this box is like meant to like recycle other stuff in here that I'm covering up because of the serial number, which I'm probably not going to show. So, and on the back, on this side, we got D-Link, which tells what this product does. It shows, yes, okay, sorry about that. And it shows how you connect the this modem. I'm at the gig switch, and it shows all of the gigabit ports on this modem. And on the side here, it has the features, the package contents, minimum requirements, which you see it does support like a Cat 5e cable, but it will work on a Cat 6. And over here is a D-Link logo again. And on the other side, this is about think green, the green technology, and also the reduced energy consumption. So let's go ahead and start opening this up. Alright, I just got my camera, so let me go get one to open this up. It's wrapped up, so let me use my keys here to take off the wrap, peeling off of it. Oh, and by the way, the reason why I bought this gig switch is because, since if you guys didn't saw my previous videos, I got my last video. I got Verizon Fios Internet, which this is the best one I can get, which would be compatible with Fios. So yeah, which I'll be connecting this to my my extender, since it only has two, so which also I would be using this for my printer, my laptop, and my smart TV in the family room. So yeah, let's go and get all the plastic off of it. There we go. So we lift this up. Alright, when we first open the box, we got warranty information here. Yep, so this is the warranty in English, and this is in Francis. Yep, this is English, and this is Francis. Yep, this is all the stuff, English, Francis, all that stuff. Side, we got a quick install guide, same here, English and Francis as well. Set aside, and over here is the start a show, which it's really small. It's this 5-port Gigabit switch. So I'm gonna set this aside, because we'll get that to later, because that's the start of the show. We lift this up, this cardboard, and see, there's basically nothing else. We got a power cable here. Wait. And we got screws, which to mount this, to probably mount the either the switch or the power supply whatsoever. But so yeah, and that's the quickest unboxing. So let me go ahead and open these up because I really need to be using these. It's the power supply, and over here is the switch itself. Let me go ahead and remove all that, and look at that. It's a black glossy finish. See, it's all glossy. So what we got here is power. Computer 1, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means I had to. Alright, let me remove all that. With the D-Link logo, and here are the 5 Ethernet ports, where you can connect a video game system like an Xbox, PlayStation 4, and that's where you connect it, or a computer, printer, anything like that. That is connected wired Ethernet. So yeah. So now let's get started by setting this thing up. And what I didn't notice here is when I first saw where the power plugs, it's on the side here, which over here you can see that. Alright. Let me on this side here. There's a mini USB to power this thing up, which you see it's a mini USB here, the plug. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and set this up and see what it does. Alright, so I got the switch all set up now, which, as you can see right here, here's the switch, which you can see there's 4 lights on, which all 3 of them are in green. One is in orange or amber. Somehow it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. This, as you can see, there's 6 lights on here, which this is number 5, which is connected straight to the extender here. And here, these are the extra. These are the 2 lights that means, which they're not on, which means they're unused. And there's this light here is connected via the printer with this cable, which I just took out. And this is the green light here that is connected to my laptop. And there's power. And you can see it's blinking. It's in orange and amber because I just connected the printer. I don't know why, but it just the printer is always on, which you can see. This is my printer, and you can see here it's on Ethernet, which you can see here. I'm using Cat5 cables, which this is a Cat5 from the extender to the switch. This is the Cat5 from the extender to the from the switch to the printer. And this is my Cat6 cable. This is black wire here. You can still use Cat5s whatsoever, but I don't have any Cat6 cables. I only have Cat5s. So, but you can still use Cat5. It's not a big deal. Cat6, would be okay too. But or maybe I think there's a new generation, but I don't know. But and over here, this is the power cord that connects here. So, but the hardest part was mounting it on the wall because I had to use like these push pins here, which I decided to use the push pins because since in the future I'm gonna be painting the wall, so I can be able to take it out and put it back in. But I don't feel like using those screws. I don't decide if I ever want to use the screws, so I decided to use the pins. So yeah, that's the gig switch, which it's mounted on the wall for the Verizon Fios here, which I got the gigabit connection. So, but anyways, let's go to my computer and do a speed test, which we're gonna end this video. It's gonna be a bit messy, so let me go to speedtest.net. Okay, we're gonna start with the default server by hitting begin test. Westchester. See, we're getting the same good amount of speeds here. If we can hit 400 megs on here. I'm close to 400, so. And it just stops. And for the uploads. Okay. Oh, we're hitting 400. Let me go and plug it in because my phone's dying. So this is our test on the downloads and uploads on the default. Let's test it on another server that is Comcast, or let's try to use Philadelphia's Hotwire server. See, it's going good. We're using Philadelphia, and it decides to drop. So let me refresh the page and do it again. Somehow it happens. Let me do that again. It drops. Use that Philadelphia server. $380. 390. Yeah, this is like under 400 on the downloads. So that's 375.33 on the downloads. On the uploads, we're probably gonna get about 340, 41, 42. Yeah, basically under 400 megs. So let's do a Comcast server instead. Let's use Comcast as Newcastle, Delaware, and let's see what we get. Okay, now we're hitting 400 now. This is on Newcastle's Delaware, and Comcast 410, okay, 49. Now the upload, we're getting about, sorry it's shaky, 370, 380, 390, okay. We're almost to 400, okay, we got 400. 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, and that's the fastest. Let's do a different server. We'll try New Jersey's, the New Jersey server. See here, let's use the Plainfield, New Jersey's Comcast server instead as well. And that's really good. We're getting the same speeds. And that's the best I can get. We're getting 300 something. See that it's going up. It's getting up there. Okay, here we go. And we'll test it with the other New Jersey server. So, the ping times are really good. And now let's do our last test. This time it's going to be Piscataway, New Jersey. This is the fastest we get on Fios. Alright, so that's the downloads, and this is gonna be the upload, and we're gonna get barely about 380, 390. We're gonna hit that 400. And we were under 400 megs, so let me do it again with the Comcast server in Newcastle, and then I'll end this video. So let's do it again with Newcastle in Delaware, the Comcast server. And this is the fastest I get. See, we hit over 410 on the downloads, 12 milliseconds on the ping. Holy bam. 412.27 megabits on the downloads. See what we get on the uploads this time. Okay, we just got onto a head start. And 402, 403. There we go. That was on the Newcastle server, which is the Comcast server. So, yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about this product. Hit that subscribe button for more future contents coming up, which in the nearby future I'll probably be doing Fios TV review, which I didn't do it yet, so I'm not ready yet, so I'll do it soon. So yeah, and also, let's see what's next. Follow me on Instagram, iTimPeou2000. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.